Hello everyone, my name is Deonder from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our double San Francisco flat door today. San Francisco door. This is, I love this door. I have one of these doors on my house. And amazing design, amazing, this goes really good with a Spanish style house. My dad made this door a while back for a client, and it just kind of blew up from there, honestly. This is an oil rub bronze with the rain glass that's being featured today. And this door is actually an outswing door. So you'll see the hinges on the outside of the house when it's an outswing door, which means the door opens towards you. So this is super common in hurricane areas or commercial use where people need to escape out of the building, God forbid there's a fire. So you don't have to, so the doors open outside. I mean, it's amazing. I don't know, this door also comes in an arch, full arch, single door, all the different variances if needed. That was Brownie that just passed by. But I love this door. It's a very, I think it'll never go out of style, kind of period correct to a Spanish style house or Mediterranean house. Yeah, I love this thing. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. All right guys, we're on the back side of the San Francisco door. I'm gonna show you guys how the glass operates. Untwist the knobs. Glass opens up. Easy to clean the glass, easy to clean the scroll work. Also on custom orders, the option of getting a screen so you can use it to vent the house is also an option. Only on custom orders, not our stock items. Also on the outswing doors, I'm gonna have Dylan do some zoom ins on the threshold so you guys see how the threshold is different on an outswing door than it is on an in-swing door. It basically has a lip that goes down for water intrusion. So just keep that in mind. It is a different threshold, but you still have this lip so you can do your tiling or your hardened flooring if needed. But yeah, this is the back end of it, and hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Say bye, Helmet. Helmet, say bye. Say bye, Helmet. Thank you.